Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Glad to be here. In today's video, I will show you how you can achieve this level of photorealism, and I will show you, of course, my method, my approach, and my technique. I will use the simplest pipeline ever. I'm not going to use a lot of tools here. And having said that, of course, this one is overview of my technique, and it is fundamental base course, is not technical. We're not going to deep dive to these techniques here. And of course, because this is a fundamental base, you can use it with your own software of choice. For example, Blender, Cycle, Cinema 4D, Houdini, Karma, Arnold Renderer, RenderMan, any software you can use it here. Of course, this video is divided in three parts. Part number one, it is tracking. That's so important in the VFX shot. We are going to extract our camera movement and of course the character movement, aka object tracking. That's so important in the tracking section. So then we are going to 3D space. That's section number 2. That's including the material, lighting, modeling, and of course the rendering. Then we are going to section number 3. That will be compositing. We are going to with EXR and combining the layer, and we are going to grade our scene together to match it perfectly. Of course, I will provide many possible ways for you guys to get these courses. For example, my Patreon, the link in the description, by the way, or NFT for those who are interested in NFT. So in the future, I will release the Champion series VFX. That's so cool. I promise you that will be awesome. Okay, see you there. Take care.